Women's Interlink Foundation from Kolkata. A big hand for Women's Interlink Foundation for Kolkata for Social Fair Awards 2024. And the category, NGO Sector Civic Issues. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Women's Interlink Foundation from Kolkata. Let's have a look at their work.
90, the Women's Interlink Foundation WIF stands as a beacon of hope and empowerment for women and children across Kolkata and 10 districts of West Bengal. Under the visionary leadership of Srimati Aloka Mitra, the founder chairperson, WIF has tirelessly worked towards the upliftment of the marginalized and vulnerable sections of society for over 3 decades. Aloka Mitra has been working for the last 54 years with communities at all levels, at Gram Panchayat, block, district, national and international, creating linkages and supports. Some of the transformative activities are literacy and education, immunization, child protection, anti-trafficking, health, hygiene, water and sanitation, elderly care, skill development and income generation, rural tourism, consumer rights and awareness, legal aid for women. Women's Interlink Foundation, driven by its unwavering commitment and the indomitable spirit of its founder chairperson, Aloka Mitra, continues to touch and transform lives, paving the way for a more equitable and just society.
Set up in the year of 1990, Women's Interlink Foundation. Ma'am, please come here at the center stage. Women's Interlink Foundation is a non-governmental organization working in the area of women's empowerment and protecting the rights of the girl child. WIF has been actively implementing integrated women, child and community development projects in Kolkata and 10 districts of West Bengal over the last 30 years. WIF has been providing multiple need-based interventions through holistic integrated projects. WIF's development activity have been mainly in the following areas, literacy and education, immunization, child protection, anti-trafficking, health, hygiene, water and sanitation, elderly care, skill development, income generation, rural tourism with focus on livelihoods for the marginalized, consumer rights and awareness, also legal aid for women. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Women's Interlink Foundation from Kolkata. And to give away the awards,
I would request Mallar Ghosh and Monika Ghosh to come on stage to present the awards to Women Interlink Foundation.
would invite on stage
Pandit Mallar Ghosh and
Pandit Mallar Ghosh and
Monika Ghosh to come on stage to
Monika,
present the
ma'am.
award.
Thank you for doing the honors. Thank you for giving me the award. Thank you. হ্যাঁ, আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। আচ্ছা, in the meantime, ম্যাম আপনাকে কিছু বলার জন্য অনুরোধ করব।
Thank you, everybody, particularly sorry.
Social Fair Awards.
So, yeah. And I am amazed that all the activities that I have been doing and whatever I have been saying all these years find a place in what Sociofair has been suggesting, and all the lay people who have been talking here today. It was like talking to old friends, and it is a lovely, lovely evening. Each and every item here that was today enacted and also talked about is also close to my heart. That I feel I'm amongst the friends, the networking that I have tried and tried all my heart, all my life has taken root all through the years. And I really applaud the effort of this organization to carry on this networking, because it takes so much time and effort to get all these levels of people together at the national level and international level. Thank you so much. It's a great, great evening. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. I think, can I have the award back, please? Akbar award. Ma'am, before you go, thank you. And I think you're so beautiful and so graceful. I think a big hand. And onake ami alada kore ramp walk korchi na, because the way when she walked in, she walked the ramp. She stole our hearts. Thank you. A big hand for ma'am. Thank you so much.